Hi, I'm here with Sammy. He's the presenter of the new.
Yeah, so this is Project Lydia Phase 2. So it's our second iteration of our technology preview based on timbre transfer and real-time machine learning instruments. This is a technology preview. So what this means is this is not available for sale. It's our exploration in the space and just asking people, do you want us to go this direction or this direction? And just, putting it out in the open to continue researching it. Yeah.
Nice. And can you give us a little demo of the unit?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, fine.
Are you getting audio from it?
Right. So this is Project Lydia Phase 2. So in Phase 2, we actually managed to get all of the audio processing on board. So you have analog input in and analog output, and this is all based on an open development platform. This is based on Raspberry Pi, so and we don't hide it because DIY is in the heart of this project. And basically what this is doing is it takes in input, for example, from this T8, and it transforms it to whatever the model is trained on. So we have a list of models. We have, for example, models based on heartbeats, on handpands, so anything you can kind of find and sample, and you can train a model to transform the input sound into that new sampled library kind of. So you can think of it, we kind of call it neural sampling. So we're gonna have a try if you want now.
Yeah.
So I bypassed it now just to kind of hear the clean sound. So that's just a regular T8 sound, very familiar, Roland 808 based sound. So now we're gonna activate the handpan model. So instantly we can see that the sound was just transformed into handpans. And on the Lydia itself, you can see we have different components of the model. So basically, these are different parameters of the latent space of this model for any technical people out there. So we have, for example, dynamics, which is kind of how varied the sound can be. But also, there's a lot of different dimensions from the model which we can change. So this is just trying to change the, let's say, types of sound the model can create. But then the nice thing about Project Lydia that we found was just going back and forth between the actual input and the model itself, because the input really affects what's coming out. So I'm going to add some reverb. So the input really affects what the model is outputting. And this is on the handpan one, it's very percussive. You can kind of expect what the sound's gonna be, but we have a lot of more experimental models. So this is based on a lot of soundscape sounds. We can go to, for example, this is a model made by Big Yuki, a very famous artist. So that's his voice. And we can kind of play around, change the drums into him speaking and him beatboxing and stuff like that. It's kind of cool. Yeah, it's all open research, to be honest, and that's Project Lydia.
So can you give us some audio demos without talking?
Yeah, sure.